Hi friends, today we are going to make golden fried prawns and prawn gold coin. It's very easy process. First we need to chop the prawns shrimps very coarsely. After that we can clean it with a little bit cold water so that all the strings and intestines gets washed out. This process is for prawn gold coin. Now let's look at the process for golden fried prawns. We need to slit the shrimps uh, from middle, so be careful so that it does not get totally split out. We need to remove the intestine and clean the inner part of it, and after that you need to wash it with cold or little bit lukewarm water. This is also a very simple process, rather simpler than the prawn gold coins. Now let's look at the marination process. Very simple. The ingredients are same for both the items: chopped coriander, chopped onion, chopped ginger, chopped chilies, chopped garlic. Please remember to remove the seeds from the green chilies so that the bitterness would reduce. So now let's start the marination process. It is very simple, as you can see in the video. First add the chopped shrimps. This is for prawn or shrimp gold coins. Add everything. Now after that add the ingredients one by one. Chopped onion, I'm keeping it little bit for prawn golden fried prawns. Add chopped ginger. After that you need to add chopped garlic, then the green chilies, chopped coriander, little bit of soya sauce, salt, pepper, black pepper or white pepper, whichever is available at your home, and mix it well. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour to make it crispy, and it also acts as a binding agent. As I told you earlier, you can add little bit of soy sauce, maybe 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Black pepper or white pepper, whichever is available. Salt to taste. Keep the salt level little bit low, as seafood a little bit salty, so keep the salt level low. Seafood is salty by itself. A pinch of lime juice, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. It removes the stinky smell of this shrimp or prawn. Mix well. After mixing it, you can keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 60 minutes, whichever is suitable. 30 minutes is enough. Little bit of MSG or China salt, Ajinomoto, whichever you may call it. Don't use much, little bit would be sufficient. 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour or rice flour, whichever is available. But I guess corn flour is available, widely available in the market, so you can use corn flour. 3 to 4 tablespoons to make it crispy, and it also acts as a binding agent. Mix well. This is the prawn gold coin after marination. You may keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Add chopped coriander, as I forgot to add it before. No problem, you can add it later on also. Now this is the process of marinating golden fried prawns. The ingredients would be same as I used it earlier for prawn gold coins. This is chopped coriander leaves, chopped onion, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, soy sauce, lemon juice, salt to taste, add green chilies. This is finely chopped garlic. Add a little bit salt as per taste. As I told you earlier, keep the salt level low, as seafood items are salty by itself. This is MSG, monosodium glutamate, or Ajinomoto, China salt, whichever you may call it. It gives extra flavor to Chinese item. Little bit of lime juice. Red chili powder also you can use it. It's not necessary, but you may use it or may not also. Little bit of black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce, dark soy sauce. After that you mix it well, just similar to golden fried prawns, or prawn gold coins, and refrigerate it for 30 minutes or 1 hour. This is corn flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons. It also acts as a binding agent, as I told you earlier, and also gives crispy, crunchy taste or texture to the item after frying it. Mix well with the help of a spoon, spatula, or by hand. You may wear a gloves also, so that to avoid the stinky smell in your hand. After mixing it well, keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now this is for coating. Add 1 or 2 eggs. Mix it well. Add little bit of salt, black pepper. Mix well.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now.
Now first I am making these golden fried prawns. Before giving it a coat, add a little bit of corn flour so that it gets a little bit sticky, and the breadcrumbs and the eggs gets well gelled up with the prawns, and it doesn't get loosened while frying it. After giving it a well mix, dip it, very simple process like whatever we generally follow. Dip it in egg, just 1 dip in egg, coat it with breadcrumbs, keep it aside. Also remember to refrigerate it after giving it a coat as well.
Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and fell.
It's a very simple process. Just dip once, coat it with breadcrumbs, keep it aside. Now this is the preparation for golden fried prawns after giving it a coat. Now we'll refrigerate it so that while frying it, it doesn't get loosened up and the proper shape is maintained. Now we'll start the preparation for prawn gold coins. It is same as we saw it in prawn golden fried prawns. Make a small ball of this chopped shrimps. Brush it with egg. Coat it with breadcrumbs. Flatten it with your hand, the palm, and keep it aside. This one also you need to refrigerate it for at least 15 minutes in deep refrigerator so that the shape is maintained while frying it. Or to make the process more simpler, you just add that egg into that chopped shrimps so that you do not need to brush it with egg every time you coat it with breadcrumbs. You may simply add it with the chopped shrimps.
You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now when
Now the most interesting part, we'll fry this golden fried prawns after taking it out from the refrigerator. You need to shallow fry it. Do not deep fry it. It will become excess crispier and it will not be palatable in your mouth. So just shallow fry it.
little more shining star to the sky looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling with you.
Now for golden fried prawns, you may shallow fry it also or deep fry it also. It is according to you, whatever you may feel it is easier. But remember, do not over fry it, as it will become much more crispier and it will also not be palatable in your mouth. Just fry it for 5 to 6 minutes and I think it will be perfect.
You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my life, let me if you want tonight.
Now both our items are ready. You can serve piping hot with tomato ketchup or tartar sauce, whichever is available. And you may also add or sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala or black salt over it to make it much more palatable.